Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover deleted messages or photos in Telegram on iPhone. If something disappeared, here's how you can get back. Telegram is a cloud-based app, so deleted chats usually sync across devices, meaning they're gone for good. However, if you only clear the chat on your iPhone, not delete for everyone, you can still see the conversation and another device logged into your account. Photos and files sent in groups or channels maybe in the group shared media section even after the deletion. And that's it. Safety tip: avoid third-party data recovery. Apps claiming to restore Signal or Telegram messages, most are scams that try to steal your account. Quick fix: enable backups before you need them. In Telegram, use saved messages to forward important chats or media so you can always have a copy. Subscribe for more quick fixes.